Your Windows PC has security timer ticking right now, and most people have absolutely no idea it exists. In June 2026, a core security system inside millions of Windows computers will expire, and if you ignore it, your PC could become permanently vulnerable to advanced malware. But don't worry, your computer will not stop working. However, your security protection will quietly weaken. So in this video, I'll show you what exactly is expiring, why Microsoft is changing it, and the 30-second check you should run on your PC right now. So let's get started. Before we talk about the 2026 problem, we need to understand Secureboot. Secureboot is a security system inside your computer's UEFI firmware. Think of it like airport security for your PC before Windows even starts loading. Secureboot checks every piece of your startup software. If the software doesn't have the correct digital signature, it gets blocked immediately. This prevents a dangerous type of malware called Bootkits. Bootkits are extremely dangerous because they load before Windows and before your antivirus. One of the most famous examples is that BlackLotus bootkit. It can completely bypass operating system security, and Secureboot is designed specifically to stop attacks like this. So what's actually happening in 2026? The security system used by Secureboot relies on digital certificates. The certificates act like master keys. Microsoft created a current certificate system back in 2011, and those certificates were designed to last 15 years, which means they officially expire in June 2026. Once they expire, Microsoft can no longer safely sign new boot components using those old keys. So the entire system needs to transition to a new certificate chain created in 2023. This is called the Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate. And this update must be installed inside your computer's firmware database, which is why this update is more complicated than normal Windows update. Now here is the important part. If you do not, then your PC will still boot normally in 2026. Microsoft is not disabling your computer, but something else happened instead. Your system enters what security researchers call dangerous security state. This means Microsoft can no longer issue Secureboot security update for your device. Your PC becomes vulnerable to unknown boot-level exploits, and attackers could theoretically use those vulnerabilities to install malware before Windows even starts. Over time, this could also prevent your system from receiving certain future Windows security updates. So while a PC keeps working, its security protection slowly becomes outdated. Now let's check your PC already has the new certificate installed. This takes less than 30 seconds. First, open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. Once PowerShell opens up, paste the command here. The command will be given in the description too, and press Enter. Now look at the result. If it shows true, your PC already has the 2023 security certificate installed. That means your system is fully prepared for 2026. But if it shows false, your computer is still using the old 2011 certificate, which means you should update soon. If your result shows false, don't panic. Most computers will receive the update automatically. Here are 3 things you should do. Open Windows Settings, then go to Windows Updates, and also check the optional updates here, and then click on Check for Updates. Microsoft's gradually delivering the new Secureboot certificates through the Windows Update. Some Secureboot updates only install during the boot. So after updating, restart your computer. If your computer is older, especially pre-2022 hardware, you may also need BIOS or UEFI firmware updated. These updates come from your PC manufacturer like HP, Dell, Asus, Lenovo, MSI. You can find them on the supported page for your exact model. Once the firmware is updated, Windows can install the new Secureboot certificate properly. This change may sound complicated, but it's actually a major security upgrade. The old certificate system from 2011 was designed before many modern threats existed. Since then, attackers have discovered multiple ways to exploit boot processes. Updating a Secureboot certificate helps Microsoft block future bootkits, revoke compromised bootloaders, strengthen Windows startup security. And this upgrade will help protect the Windows system for the next decade. Your PC is not expiring in 2026, but the security keys protecting your startup processor And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to Sudama Lab for more Windows updates, tech news, and PC security tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.